Welcome aboard, future Quickbase builders. Brace yourselves for an exhilarating journey into Quickbase, where innovation takes flight. Get ready to embark on a mission with this Galactic Appventures course that will challenge your creativity and further your app development knowledge. Your mission is to craft an app that will revolutionize the management of our fleet of spaceships. It will include building an app, customizing the user experience, and automating reminders. Different members of this space team have different responsibilities based on their roles. The administrators will view comprehensive reports to provide real-time insights into the status of ships in the fleet. The chief technicians will have the power to create and assign tasks to their skilled technician teams. And for our technicians, this app will be their command center, allowing them to access and update assigned tasks. Throughout this course, you will have the opportunity to create and customize your Quickbase app. Don't worry if you can't complete every exercise. We've got your back. Check out the Warp Speed exercises, which will direct you to pre-built apps from the Quickbase Exchange. These will catch you up and allow you to continue your exploration seamlessly. Quickbase is a versatile platform that offers multiple paths to success, so feel free to experiment. Each leg of this journey provides one possible solution, but remember the true power lies in your ability to think outside the box. Now go forth and build.